If you want to get into dropshipping and aren't sure which website to use, or maybe you aren't happy with your current website and are looking for a different one, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different options. This video is part 1 of 2. To get notified when part 2 is released, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Now let's get into the video. AliExpress is probably the most well-known platform for dropshipping. The platform has millions of products that are sourced by thousands of different suppliers. A single product may have hundreds of suppliers, so you can choose if you want to go with a verified supplier or one that offers faster shipping, or perhaps take a chance with a newer supplier that offers a better price. On the pro side of AliExpress, they have a huge selection of products, no minimum order requirements, the prices are cheap, which makes it easier for you to make a decent profit. It integrates easily with Shopify. There are plenty of apps to import AliExpress products, reviews, and streamline your processes and make fulfilling and refunding orders both quick and easy. Like any platform, AliExpress has some cons as well, the biggest one likely being their shipping times. It's not uncommon to wait a month or several for your package to arrive. This can cause a lot of problems for dropshippers because with that length of shipping time, the customer will assume their package got lost, or worse, that it was a scam, and either request a refund or go to their banks to issue one. The other thing that slow shipping time does is decrease customer satisfaction. So for those who intend to keep their stores long-term, or perhaps even brand a product as their own, it's important to have good reviews so that people continue to trust your store and shop there. Now, that's not to say that every product on AliExpress is like that. In fact, many suppliers do offer 4 to 13 day shipping on certain products. The other con about AliExpress is that sometimes products arrive defective or not as shown in the photos. You really have to read the listing links to check the product measurements, the materials, and also check the review photos as well to confirm that what the listing is advertising is what is received. Alibaba is another well-known platform, but it differs from AliExpress because with Alibaba, they do have minimum order requirements, and they also offer the option to put your logo on the product and packaging. Alibaba is kind of the next step after AliExpress, so if you were to test a product from AliExpress, it's selling really well, and you decide, hey, I found a winning product or products, you can then put your logo on that product so that it appears to be your own branded product. And then you would order them in large quantities and either ship them out yourself or through a fulfillment center. Ordering products in bulk will often give you much higher profit margins and also speeds up shipping time, which will improve customer satisfaction. If a customer has a choice between 2 stores and one offers 2-week shipping and the other is offering a month, they are likely going to go with the one with faster shipping, so it gives you the upper hand. As for cons, you do have to be careful of defective products, so make sure you look into what insurance you have or what the supplier's policy is on how to report defective products. What timeline do you have? Does it have to be refused upon delivery? Do you have 30 days? Look into all those things because you don't want to invest your money into hundreds of products only to be stuck with defective products that you cannot sell. The other caution I'd give with Alibaba is to really do your research on how much it's actually going to cost. Most suppliers have a calculator where you can see how much the minimum order quantity will cost and an estimated shipping fee. But there are other costs associated with getting your product to you. So make sure you look into all these things and then total it up to make sure that when you sell the product, you're still able to make a decent profit margin. Light in the box and mini in the box I'm going to cover together. Visibly, these two are pretty much identical to each other, but the product selection is a little different. Light in the box has more of a selection than mini in the box. These websites are very similar to AliExpress. They too offer a wide variety of products to dropship, but as I mentioned, there is less product selection than AliExpress. For example, I tried to look up a few of the products that I covered in my latest winning products video. On both of these websites, neither of them carried the 3D dragon lamp, the flame humidifier, or jar opener. I didn't look for the entire list of 10 products that I covered, but out of those 3 that I tried to find, all 3 aren't being carried. The other difference is that the product price is typically higher than you would see with AliExpress. However, where they lack in price point, they do have the upper hand in shipping time. Both of these websites offer expedited 4 to 7 day shipping within the US, and many products have 24-hour processing time. So yes, you are paying more, but depending on the product, you might be getting your product much faster than you could with AliExpress. Made in China is very similar to Alibaba. The idea here is that you've found a winning product and are now ready to order it in bulk so that you can either fulfill orders yourself or do it through a fulfillment center. So just like Alibaba, it works best when used as a next step after AliExpress. When comparing product selection, Alibaba does offer more products and supplier options, but the selection is pretty comparable. When I compared those same 3 winning products, the flame humidifier, the dragon lamp, and the jar opener, the only one that couldn't be found on Made in China was the 3D dragon lamp. Again, not an extensive amount of products were compared, but with just those 3, 2 out of the 3 were available. Price-wise, it's hard to say how Alibaba and Made in China compare because it really varies from product to product, and Made in China doesn't show their shipping estimates. In order to find out that information, you would need to contact the supplier. Just like Alibaba, you can put your logo on products when you meet their minimum order requirements, so it's another great option, certainly another website to compare against Alibaba if you are considering ordering items in bulk. If this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below. We post a lot of time-sensitive content on here, such as updates and winning products, so make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so that you can know as soon as we post a video.